join us. Is that all right?
Okay, sir.
So first of all, how you doing, Kelechi? So how's your account doing? How's your trading?
But it's doing well. It's doing well. Just yesterday on Friday, the retrace of this gold, I just said that
Okay.
although I've not started, I've traded it immediately after I got some money, but I'm getting them up to the gold today. I'm up to 400.
400 pips or $400.
Recovered $400. I recovered the lost money.
I see.
So I'm trading.
I see. You're doing well. You're actually cashing out. So we have someone else that joined us here. Bode Adeleko. Adeloko. Yeah, Adeleko. I don't know if I could hear you clearly. Bode Adeleko. Um, Bode Adeleko. I think my system. Give me some minutes. Let me correct something, please. But I hear everybody. My camera was actually properly not focused on me. I think it's focused on me now, right? Yeah, you can see me now. Yeah, I didn't know it was focusing on my door. Yeah, my camera is on me now, so you can be able to see me. Yeah. So I see Bode Adeleko. I don't know if I can hear from you. I saw Keshi Obonna, Keshi Obonna. Quite a number of our person are not here. I don't know the problem. So, but we're gonna continue on the information of today. So let me also check the other handle where we're streaming to know if more people have joined us there. Uh, okay, so tonight we're gonna discuss something different. As our culture is, we discuss it every day, every Monday. We use Monday to discuss about account management and automated trading platforms, and it is designed for working class professionals or people who are busy who doesn't really have all the time to be on internet. So that's what we use today. We usually use Mondays to discuss. Then Tuesdays we go into trading. Those who trade manual trading, we can go into that with them. We discuss with them on that one every let's say from Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we do live trading in our community, and people can easily join us live. So we are talking about automated trading system and account management options for working professionals, how you can effectively get your account managed, and or how you can use automated trading system to make some profit. But there's another advantage that we are going to discuss today because we introduce a new product I think should benefit you, a product that could allow some people who need capital to be able to access some leverage of capital up to $10,000 It's not a pro firm account. It's not. There's no challenge to pass. There's no account to buy. There's no training. There's no training fee. So you won't think people are somebody's asking you to pay for training. There's no training. There's no no drawdown. There's no drawdown. So, but there's a target you have to meet. Then and you can as well convert the money to yours. That's for experienced traders who actually want to access some credit for trading. It's quite different and a bit better than going to buy a profile account where you're not going to get anything from them. So these are the three options we will discuss. So for your information, those on the Zoom, we actually streaming on the YouTube. And in case you want to also join us there, it's also possible that you can as well join us. So I'll be taking random question from there. And I think we're also on LinkedIn. I think we're also streaming on the LinkedIn as well. So you can also be able to see what we're doing on LinkedIn. I'm not sure if we have. Okay, I think we're also on Instagram. We're also on Instagram, so we can be able to reach out as to a large audience as possible. So I wanted to talk to Bode. I wanted to talk to Nkechi. I wanted to talk to someone that has Samsung, so that I'll be able to know who you. At least 3 person in this group, so that I can be able to proceed. But because of our time, if you don't want to identify with me, fine. My name is Uche Paragon. I am one of the best trader. I've been trading for about 17 years now, and I have worked with a lot of brokers. Uh, I hope you can see me now. Yeah. And I work with a lot of brokers. I work with multiple brokers. There's no day I don't get a deal from different brokers. Every day, like today, I have 2 days, 2 deal. So some of you that want to work with brokers, and if you are good enough, it's time to network and be pushing these brokers to you so that you can be able to have portfolios to work with. There's no day I don't get I get deals every day. I get deal from brokers, different brokers. So the ones I like, the one I don't like, then I let them go. Yeah. So first of all, let me start from this one. Let me share my screen so that I can be able to see my screen and see what I'm sharing with you. This meeting is also recorded for those of us that are not here that are busy. They can be able to access it. Um, those of us that are busy can be able to access it because when they come back from work, they'll be able to see what we have done and ask us questions. They can also watch the video. I'm just giving you a disclaimer for you to know that it's being recorded. So assuming your video is on and you don't want it to be recorded on internet, you can be able to off it. And if you're not in any place where your audio maybe could disrupt other things, you may also be able to adjust your audio. It can also help because anything will be picked. We may not be able to um, we may not be able to edit it, to be honest. So we may not be able to edit it. Yeah. So for those of you that are streaming on watching from LinkedIn or other channels that may not see my camera, I'm so sorry because we're using multiple channels, so camera can't capture all of them. Yeah, we discovered that our camera cannot capture all of them. But if you check uh, also on Zoom, the camera is focusing on Zoom, and they also focusing on the camera we have on. Instagram is active, but the one we're having on our streaming software is not really active because it's telling us that cameras are already on other channels. That's why. So, but I think you can hear me very clear. If you can hear me on YouTube, also comment yes, I can hear you, so that I will know that I carry very well along. But I will be sharing all the link across as I explain it further. I think that's fine. So going further, we have more people joining us. Yeah, we have Excellence joining us now. We have TMA. I wish you guys can talk. Let me know who you are. Can I hear you, Excellent? Oh, good evening. Yeah, where are connected from? Okay. What of you, Samsung? Are you the owner of Samsung or TMA?
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good evening. So where are you connected from?
I'm connecting from Nigeria.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Nigeria,
Oh,
Lagos, Nigeria.
okay, perfect. Yeah. So let's start from this one. This is the first product we launch. We launch this is my personal product now. Don't try to know the differences because I will share a product from the company. I will share a product from my own personal product, so you can decide the one you want. So no, if you check my page, I've been on I've been into hedge fund management for about 4 or 5 years now. Yeah, and I'm doing well. It's not easy, but I'm actually doing well in it. Yeah. So this is, as you can see, Suche Paragon. It's a personalized name. So I'm the one presenting it to you. It's the name here is Suche Paragon. For those of you that are on our Instagram, I'm so sorry, we may not be able to share screen with you, but if you drop a chat or check our bio, you'll be able to see this link and join us live. So this system is one of our account management system that's available, and it is designed for accredited and high net worth clients. Yeah, it's very simple and it's very common. So we don't really accept to manage account for someone that doesn't have a stable income or someone that is struggling. You go and squeeze out $100 and push it to our platform for management. And that's the Alaska. That's even maybe money you have to feed your family. You're not into, you didn't fall into this criteria. So we basically prefer to manage account for high net worth individual, and of course, our system is very transparent. It's not a direct system. It's an open structure where we are not allowed to receive your money into my personal bank account or hold it, store it, keep it in my savings account and claim that I'm trading. No, or we take it directly and manage it because we are not fund managers. We are portfolio managers. Know the difference. Fund managers by law are allowed to receive your fund and manage it on different portfolios. That's their own this thing. But portfolio managers are not necessarily allowed to do that. So I manage through portfolio structure. So now you could use the brokers we are using. You open your account with the brokers, and of course you maintain full ownership and full control of the trading account. Then how it works is that you do the KYC with us. Then we help you do the account setup, and of course, your trading will start growing. This things does not take more than 5 to 10 minutes because these days AI is assisting in account verification. So once you're able to have your document, put in your name, address, number, whatever, everything is done. So it's an easy process. It's just four steps. Let's say three major step. This step, compliance. The compliance is important to me and to our team to know who you are. If you are unknown person, it can be difficult for us to do business with you. We have to know who you are. We're not a broker, so broker can accept anybody, but we have to know who they are, how you hear about us and everything. Sometimes we also have to, if not that we are not fund managers, we may know the source of fund, but it's not necessary for us. Brokers can know the source of fund, but we are not interested in knowing that because fund does not come to us. What comes to us is only account. Do you understand? So, as I explained before, so your capital will be in your control. Of course, we have a proven track record for a long time. Now, this is the most important one. We have a risk measure. I will have about 50% stop out risk on trading account that has to do with leverage, which is high risk account. It's also one of the most popular account everybody uses. So we have about 50% stop out protection on it. That's how we manage our risk. And on performance base, we charge you up to 20% performance fee based on how we performed on account. So uh, that's how we work. But aside that, I also consult for brokers. I've been able to set up more than 7 different brokers for different companies. So I set up. I'm a compliance officer. I can manage brokerage activities for brokers. I help you set up account and everything. I'm sure some of you are not didn't fall under this category. It may fall under another layer of you may fall under trader, but I work with brokers a lot. I have a lot of brokers I work with. So now, on a personal note, this is the minimum account you can come with. Minimum amount you can accept. Before it was $1,000, but technically we try to reduce it based on the market we focus on. In Nigeria, $500 is a lot of money. So somebody making up to $500 a month could be technically classified as mid income earner. Yeah. Yeah. So that's why we bring it down to $500. and you, of course, you have access to your monthly performance. That's by the broker, but a trader can actually access account every day or every week. Then we have the VIP of $5,000. They will have exclusive VIP, and they will have premium VIP of about $100,000. So that is how we do it. Let me share something from here. Yeah, so we have exclusive VIP of $100,000. Okay, okay. I think everybody is following. I wanted to be sure on my screen are sharing. Um, then there's another one we launch that will interest you. You can get funded because we have a lot of fund coming in. We also used to recruit traders that want to trade for us. So you can get 100% free mentorship and funded trading account. So all you have to do is to demonstrate your skill. Then you get the capital and keep 100% of your profit. There will be no training fee. There's no challenge. Just your result. That's what we need. So you could be able to access $1,000, $5,000 to $10,000 from us, and you have to be able to generate up to 20% profit within 1 week. This is for traders now. Everybody want to trade. Then you can keep 100% of all the profit you make, and there is no drawdown limit or restriction. So, but the other condition apply. So there is 1 week free. When I say free trial, is that we'll give you the fund, loan you the fund for about 1 week to see what you're gonna do with it. Then this is what we're expecting you to gain within a week, and you have 100% share ownership of the profit. That is when you have converted the money to yours. So just follow me. Don't just conclude yet, because there are other conditions attached to it. So this is how it works. For example, you get this fund from us. You apply to get any fund. You can apply to get maybe $1,000. You can apply to get $5,000. You can apply to get $10,000. So after you have made 20% profit, we will take off the money, the initial capital from you. So what is left for you will be your profit. Then you will now deposit to convert the profit to you. You have to deposit the total sum of the money, the profit that you have made, and now everything that become yours. Then, but you have to trade for us for at least 2 weeks. The reason is that we have to get some spread commission and other things to cover up some costs. So you have to trade for at least minimum 2 weeks to be able to now withdraw all your profit from the money we have given to you. But we carefully monitors the account. And another interesting condition is this: you have to maintain seminal lot size, and you have to maintain seminal lot size that you use, because we also want to filter out gamblers. So people may come and gamble with it, and think that they are experienced trader, only to discover that they are no more even near experienced trader. So you have to maintain a similar strategy and similar lot size within that 2 weeks. It's not that if you make good profit for us, we will not we'll reject it. Of course, we are not going to reject it, but these are just the rules, because there are another thing we want to achieve in doing this is to make sure we are able to get good traders on board. So, for example, you have $5,000 account from us. It's like a loan or a credit given to you. Then you will trade it for 1 week, and you're able to make $1,000 profit, which is about 20% of $5,000, which is easy, because on our own hub here, in a week we used to make about 2,000 pips. Sorry, 1,000 something pips in a week. So it can be very much easy for you to achieve that. Then we will now take off the 5,000. Then what is left for you is 1,000, which is 20% of profit you have made. Then you could now be able to, if you want to claim the money, like convert the whole money to yours, because we're not interested in sharing profit with you. It's not a pro firm. So if you want to convert the money to yours, you have to deposit the sum of the profit that you have made on it, and then now your capital become $2,000, but you have to trade again for at least 2 weeks. For at least 2 weeks to trade again, and after that 2 weeks, then you can be able to withdraw your profit. The reason is that at least between that 2 weeks, you must have been able to give us some commissions from the execution and everything, and we can be able to cover some costs. But technically, it's available for, okay, we have 15 slots now taken. It's available for 50 people for 50. So if we have any need of extending it, we can also extend it. Now, I've shared two products with you now. I've shared this product about account management product, how we manage account. Then I share the this product. Those who want to get trading account through me, then you can as well get trading account. And the website is www.ucheparagon.com. Is that all right? Is that all right? Okay. Okay, perfect. So the second type of account I want to share with you now is automated and hybrid account with the brokers we are working with, which we interest you to know. We have one of the best platform that will never allow you lose your capital, and the platform is consistently increasing. It's consistently improving in their administrative structure. We are the only platform, we are the only company that you can stay with, and you will not lose your trading capital, like your entire capital. Yeah, in life you just have to find a way to solve some problem, especially when the problem is complex. So I want to share it with you. I'm sure you're gonna like it. I think internet is still fluctuating today. I don't know the problem. Can I check something? Uh-huh. Because some of these people, do you know that there was a web outage today? 'Cause I'm trying to open. Yeah, yeah, it's open. Okay, it's open and go off. Open and go off. Open and go off. Sharing to the. Okay, let me stop sharing this one as well, and then share another one. But why going? If you have a question, can ask me. Because I'm trying to open another page for you. Uh, Okay, so that one has not opened, but let me go further. Somebody may be asking, how does you work? So I'm not sure supposed to have shared this one with you, but I have to because I already have my business ethics of not promoting brokers, especially the one that didn't pay me. I don't promote them, but this is the broker we use for our personal trading. So this is the broker. I hope you can see that clearly. Well, ordinarily, I don't like to push them because even today I spoke with one of their manager concerning marketing. To release the marketing fund, they refuse to release it. I have to be blunt with you. So there are some things we suffer with brokers that you guys don't even know. Do you understand? I hope you can see my screen now. Yeah. So this is the broker we use in managing most of our account. Most of them, they are here. So you can open account. I'm trying to open the second one because of the way it's hosted. I think it's hosted in the United States. Amazon Web had a problem today, so it's affecting a lot of companies. A lot of big companies being affected. So um, this is the company is highly regulated company, one of the best company, fully regulated, and some of the executions we have here are done directly, like on commodity. Let me go on commodity now. Some executions we have here are executed directly from the New York Stock Exchange. So it's not an issue of somebody flipping account for you. No, you're trading directly. I'm trying to click on info so that you see what I'm trying to share with you. I'm commodity now. Some other flow passes through those big exchange. I don't know why my system is not loading as I expected. Okay, let me click on Brent. Yeah. hmm So you see where some executions are done. It's Avatar. Almost all of you should know this broker. It's one of the highly regulated broker. If you go on trading info, you see other services. No, trading info. Information here will show you where some of the orders are coming from. This is Amazon stock. Let me check other one. Let's say US start. Let me check whether it's gonna open for me. Okay, let me check commodity for example. Let me check if it's to open from here so that you need to know, we see where the order flow is coming from so that you can be able to, okay, it's not necessary, but I just wanted to show you how big and how the broker is. So this is the broker we use. You can't have to be here. You finish everything. So you have to finish everything. All you do is to connect because they have a lot of they have automated trading platform that can allow multiple execution at the same time to be done. Do you understand? Yeah. So as I speak to you, we have done over 60 million volume through this company. Yeah. As I speak to you, we have done over $60 million volume through the company. So let me know if there's any question. I'll be able to answer you why I tried to load the other page. People never. Yeah. Just ask a question, please. Any question? Oh, I see. I see. Bad gateway. I see. I think these guys may also be affected. I see. I see. They're also affected. I see. I don't know why almost all the companies are using Amazon. See what I wanted to share with you. Who's familiar with me? I think Kelechi, you're familiar with me. Uh, Kelechi, I think you can see what I'm sharing now. Yeah, so you see where order flow is coming from. Yeah, look at where order flow is coming from. Order flow is coming from the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. So a broker does not a broker can never put it if they're not regulated. Yeah, if it's not, they can never put such information on their website. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So this is where your order flow is coming from, where orders are being executed. Yeah. So you can start with us with 1,000. You can start with us with lesser amount. Let me know if I can get other pages shared, but it's not really coming up. So let me know. Let me take questions. If you have a question, just feel free to ask me now.
Yes, sir. My own question is concern the 1,000, 5,000, and 10,000 wanted. So if somebody have to trade this now, we trade and make the 20%. You have to, then you have to credit, you have to fund the account the same amount of your 20% before you can be able to get the access.
Yeah, yeah. You have to convert the money. You have to convert the money to yours. One, they don't want you to pay money like the way pro firm are asking you to pay before they give you money. When you pay finish and there's no guarantee you're gonna make success. People have been buying pro firm account that have been losing money why they have not passed. This one, you have to be sure you have passed. Your strategy is working. You're making money before you can commit your own money. So that is one of the safety side of it. That's what, yeah. So you don't need to start buying, like paying money to get account, and at the end of the day, you're not getting the money. Yeah, and if you also get the money and make the profit must also take part of it. But this one is not like that. So this is direct trading to know whether you can be able to trade. If you are good in trading, then you can decide. Then if you're not good at trading, then you can easily know that these guys are not good. Then the people that are good will intern in the system and be trading together with the system. Is that all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm. So I've shown you how you can apply. You can easily apply for it. I've shown you how you can apply. Let me share it again with you. You can apply for it, and you can also apply directly for those of you that are big guys that are connecting with me here. You want to manage your account, then you can also apply. I have a few minutes to go. Please let me know if I have a more question to answer with you.
How do we apply?
Like the link is here. It's look at ucheparagon.com. I'm sharing it to you too on the chat. Let me put this on the chat. So we have some group of people connected to us on the YouTube here. I'm sure you can hear me as well. So if you can hear me, you just comment, because after now, I'll be able to give you a live update about the market structure and what the market is all about. I will be able to give you those so that those of you like. Okay, we also have some people that have connected with us from via the Zoom. Uh, yeah, so, some of you are back on the Zoom, right? So let me know if you have a question. Augustine, do you have a question? Or TMA, do you have a question? You're asking me about about the link, so let me share it with you so I can be able to see it. Those on Instagram, in case you have a question, you can drop it on this thing, because as you can see, I'm not available to pick any of your question on Instagram. You can drop a chat. I will be able to see those chat and interact with you, or you can check our bio and jump to our YouTube. You can be able to see us if you're on my Instagram. Yeah. So, any questions so far? Okay. So I think I have to let the Zoom guys go. Zoom people, I have to let you guys go now. I think I've given you the information that you want. So please join our Instagram, our Telegram. More information is shared on our Telegram. You can be able to access those information as well. So I'm connecting directly to the people on live stream to give them more information. For the next how many minutes remaining for me? Let me check how many minutes. Yeah, in the next 15 to 20 minutes, I'll connect with you guys and give you more details. So if you want to join me, you can be able to join me on that channel. Is that all right? Because I waited for your question, it didn't come. So I wish you all the best and do have a lovely night. So I'm back here, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm back. I'm sure you can be able to hear me and see what I'm doing, guys. Yeah. So if you can hear me, you can just like type I can hear you, because I think I can hear myself very clear. Just type I can hear you. Okay, so as I was saying, this is an information we have for people who want to connect into our car management program and who want to be part of it. So I'm sure you guys can hear me now and can as well see me. So if you are interested in any of them, you just have to hit me up as soon as possible. The link is under here, then you can be able to join us. You know what I mean? So the link is here, then you can be able to join us. Um, So, so as I was saying, so we have a lot of we are offering something special for you guys who want to access capital without a pro firm model. So we have a system that can allow you. So these are the benefits of getting the capital. So that is you can get a free mentorship from us. Of course, I used to come here now every day for to give you a mentorship program. Then you can as well. There's no drawdown limit, so everything you make is yours. Then there's no challenge to pass, so you can trade your own strategy and relax and do what you want to do. You can also use your own strategy. You can keep profit. You can keep your profit. So you can also scale based on consistency, result, and growth in your own capital and grow your own capital. Then you can be able to apply based on what you can afford. You apply what you can afford because it's not that we're giving you that we are dashing you money to go home with. No. So we're giving you money temporarily for 1 week to trade, and we are giving you a target of 20% to know if you can make 20% of the profit. If you make 20% of the profit, the money given to you will be taken out, so leaving you with your profit. Then, if you want to continue and convert the money to yours, then you have now know that you're a trader. At least your strategy is working. There, you cannot continue. It's different from when you come and take this money in the name of gambling. You want to gamble it and get 20%, taking that you're gonna continue. No, it helps you to be a consistent trader and be able to maintain your strategy and be a good trader. And the good part of it is that you don't need to pay to get it. You have to prove yourself before you can now get them, before you can now commit your own money. For example, you have a $5,000 account, you have to meet at least 20% profit within 1 week minimum, which is about $1,000. Then after that, if you want to become a trader, we now take the money off from you and they leave you with your own profit of $1,000. Then you can now continue by depositing your own money, at least maybe up to the sum of the money, some of the profit that you have made. The money is yours. Then you can trade with us for at least 2 weeks. Then after trading with us for 2 weeks, you can be able to withdraw your profit as much as you want. The same way people that apply for $10,000 account or something. So you have to apply based on what you can be able to afford. Like somebody apply for $10,000 account and to grow the account to $30,000 may not even be able to claim all the money because does not even have up to that. That's why you don't need to be greedy about it. You should be able to get an account based on what you can be able to afford, like what you can maintain. Account that you can convert to yours. The money that you can say, okay, this money, all of them is mine. So there's nobody that will be asking you to buy a challenge first. You keep using your money to keep buying account and they put you on 5% drop down. Any little drop down, the money is gone. Then you buy again. No, this one does not draw down. I can have up to 50% draw down. You can trade as much as you want until you make your profit. Then you keep buying 10 account, 20 account, blowing it, thinking that one day you're gonna hit it big until you get tired and leave the market. But that's not the case. This case, you may be able to access some credit from us and use it to trade and convert the money to yours later after you have proven yourself to be effective. I'm not sure you can apply multiple account in case you get our credit and you didn't do well. I'm not sure you can apply more. I have to confirm from our team whether that policies allow for you to apply more than once to know whether you can get it. I hope you guys can see this one very clear and hear me. Let me be sure. Yeah, I think everyone can hear me. So aside that, you can also participate in our fund management program if you're a high network client that can be able to uh, meet our criteria. What we say high network clients that if I want to trade for you, I have to know who you are. It's not where you go and throw in $50 to me and that's your last that's money you have to use to keep feed your family. I'm not a magician, so you have to be like a like somebody that is stable to some extent before you can come into our account management. It's not just based on policy; it's even legally allowed. Legally, it shouldn't. There's some category of client that is only allowed to be on this type of trading. So in Nigeria, I'm sure some of us, anybody making up to 500 grand a month is able to classify as medium come earner. So in trading, we are not looking for people who can elevate from poverty that are struggling, but you can do that by yourself with your own money. Not where you're looking for a third party that will solve your solve the. I don't know if I'm trying to be too harsh, but I just want to make it clear so that uh, somebody will not just from nowhere and be too putting in account unnecessary to us. We will not be able to accept that. That's why we used to check eligibility to know whether you're eligible to even do business with us in the first place. If you have a job, if the money is not, so that we can be able to, although it's not necessarily on our own side, but we still have to do that, because some of you will not come through the broker. You definitely want to come through us. Then when we make profit, we take 20% of the profit. Just as you make profit from our own fund we have given you, you take 20% of the profit. We too, when we make profit from trading for you, make you take 20% of the profit. And also we have about 50% stop out while trading for you. Then people will be thinking, which broker do you use? So we use highly regulated broker. One of the broker we use is this company. So you have to get an account with them. I'm not supposed to promote them, but for the sake of clarity and transparency, I'm doing that now. So you get an account from them, verify it, and put everything there, because you have to be 100% in control of your trading. We help you to manage the risk, and they help you to keep you profitable as much as possible. So now this is our risk. Okay, I did not stop the sharing before I started this one. Okay, let me show you this the broker we are using. So this is the broker we use. This is the broker we use. You can use this broker. Get an account. It's not. I know that some of you use all these influencers that are Philippine account for you. They have already partnered with a broker to maybe take a commission or a portion of your losses. So that's why they can do anything possible to make sure you lose money. So, and they will take it. We work with only regulated brokers, and they don't have time for such business. Do you understand? So we are one of the best guys you can work with. One of the best guys you can work with. So let me know if you have a question. Those of us that are here, people are joining us. So let me know if you have a question. If you have a question, just feel free to hit the button and ask me. I'll be happy to answer you. So concerning the market structure, the one we did in the morning and the one we also doing now, a lot of things are happening in the market, and we think we should let you know because now it is still valid. Those things are still very much valid. A lot of things are happening in the market, and they are very, very much valid. Okay, someone want to join me here. Let me see who this guy is. I'll send a participant. Okay. Oh, okay. I was asked to invite people. Oh, that means my next time I have to invite someone to join me. Yeah. Those of you on my Instagram, in case you want to tell me anything, please, I'll be happy to read them later. So, knowing whether you have a question, so that's why I'm trying to give you some time to see if I can be able to answer your questions. I want to give you a little bit of update about the market structure. Going with the market structure, this is what we have done so far, and is doing perfectly well. So we are expecting some dollar strength if the United States government is the lockdown, and which is gonna also impact the US JPP USD. This FS, but gold, there's no going back on gold. So gold has remained the same potential asset we are trading. Then on oil, we are also expecting a bullish trend, at least $60 per barrel, because of oil seriously came down, but it has posed a very good potential for buyers to come into the market. So you can be able to participate in it. So these are the things that we have done. In case you miss our live stream, I'm just giving you a reverb of what is happening. You know what I mean? So I'm so sorry, those of you on Instagram, you need to check our bio and join the bio so that I can be able to see this thing we are sharing here. Because those on our live stream on the Zoom and the YouTube, I've seen them clearly. You know what I mean? Check our bio, and I'm always able to join them, and you maximize the opportunity we are bringing to your way. So oil is expected to get to that point. The Brent crude, we are also trying to expect about $63 oil on Brent crude, which is gonna give you at least not less than $10,000 profit on a $10 volume if you hit this market at this price, because it's actually gonna go up. If you hit it at this price, this $60, and they move to $63, it's gonna give you a lot of profit. In fact, we're expecting to get to 64 because it was a crash. Use $10, invest $10 here, leave it for the next 2 or 3 weeks, that you have chance of getting up to 10 grand from it. Then I'm not trying to give investment advice because I'm a public domain. I'm just trying to analyze things for you. So it is your duty to decide whether you're gonna do it or not. Do you understand? So those that are students we are teaching, they already know much about what we are doing. They can easily understand. We also have a Telegram you can join. Check this page. You see our Telegram anywhere, and join the Telegram. Yeah, I wanted to share more of automated trading platform with you, but I think the cloud issue is affecting a lot of brokers. The broker I wanted to share with you could not load. You know, even this broker was affected.
Yeah, a lot of them are down.
Yeah, it was affected. I tried to load a lot of things from the from the New York stock market. It not even open. Then it said cloud something, cloud error. I load it. It finally come up. Then these guys also give us a disclaimer that they are experiencing the same thing.
Yeah, no, a lot of people are using Amazon Cloud. So Amazon, actually, let me not give any investment advice, but
Yeah. So that's all we have now, guys. This stream will be here for you. You can be able to always come back to it again and again. And tomorrow we'll see you guys and see what you can also offer you as well. Yeah, I wish you all the best and do have a lovely day, a lovely morning, a lovely evening, a lovely afternoon, anywhere you are connected from.
all right, guys, let's make this money.
Yeah, let's just make the money. Let's make the money.